Hello everyone and welcome back. So a few weeks ago, a subscriber by the name of John got in contact with me and he had a couple of projects that he would like me to work on here for the garage series. In fact, he donated the Snowblower and he wanted me to take a peek and fix this Ryobi backpack leaf blower as well. The story behind the Snowblower is, I believe his dad, his uncle, and possibly his grandfather all bought the same exact model at the same exact time, and he grew up with this. I mean, he used it all the time, and as time went on, he just recently upgraded to a newer one, and so he's seen that I was working on that green lawn boy, and he thought, well, you know, I'd like to see this one in there. So he did say he ran this one out of gas, which is a good sign. I did take a peek inside of the gas tank and it does look empty, so that's a good sign. We'll see how that carb looks. Honestly, I got it home and I've been busy ever since, so this is the first time I'm really getting the opportunity to pull it apart. And rather than just trying to start it, I want to take that carb off first, take a peek at it and see, just to make sure that everything's good. As far as this Ryobi backpack leaf blower goes, he said there was an issue with, it was either the choke or the linkages, and that's why he has this piece of tape on there, because it keeps it at a certain speed. So we'll take a peek at that. He said he might want this back, depending, but he did upgrade, I believe, to a battery operated one. So this Snowflite though is a pretty, once again, a nice heavy duty unit, and it's kind of unique. I haven't seen it before, but the drive system here, you can lock it in to the axle, but then you can also freewheel it. So like this side's freewheeled, kind of explains it here in the little diagram I was reading, but this side's kind of freewheeled, but I'll probably lock them both in because I need all the traction I can get. But definitely a nice heavy duty model for sure, and hopefully it runs good, because I could always use a good snowblower. John also grabbed this box, and this is all snowblower parts. And looks like we got some bushings in here, probably for the axle. This is a plate. The axle runs through this plate. Normally there's like a bearing in here. An ignition. I have no idea what this would be. It almost looks like something for the linkages. I mean, genuine MTD parts. Another flange bearing. I mean, just awesome parts. And I think the reason why maybe he had all these, or you know, whoever he got them from had these, is because over time these are harder and harder to source. So gave me this whole box of parts, which we actually might need some of them. We'll see what this thing needs, but it looks in great shape. So hopefully we can keep these for the future. Also, he gave me a flashlight. So he always sees we have like those bigger headlamps. People ask a lot about them. They're Fighting Girl brand headlamps. Not that we're sponsored by anybody, but he is a fan of these O-lights. So he wanted me to check this out. It takes a AAA, it has a low and a high setting, and also a clip here so you can put on your hat. But I've been using this. I rock this and my Leatherman Wave every day for work. So this flashlight is nice because it takes a AAA battery, and like I said, it's simple with the high and low, but that's kind of what I carry with me at work every day now. So this has made its way into my pocket every single day. But yeah, so really nice guy. It was just super friendly, easy to talk to, and very generous. So I just thought I would show you guys that. Thanks for the flashlight. I've been using it every single day, and it's been swamped in engine oil. But anyways, let's get back to taking this carb off and seeing what there is inside. No fuel came out. And yeah, this thing looks in great shape, nice and clean. Yes, I love to see that. Let's pop this bowl off here. That looks pretty good too. Oh, and I don't really know if I need to go much deeper than that. Take a peek here. Let's take her to the bench and just show you guys. And we'll go through the needle anyways, but I don't think it's really gonna need it. Okay, so this is the bowl. Looks pretty good. Tiny bit of little dirt in the bottom, but that is pretty nice. And then here is our needle, and that looks good as well. I'm seeing just a little bit of dirt in this little idler, but that's clean. Especially, I don't know how long he had it stored for. I want to say maybe this year was the first year he hadn't used it, but I mean, even for this thing sitting for probably over 9 months to a year for its age, this is very good condition. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Okay, let's reassemble and see if she runs. Check the engine oil here. Definitely looks like you could use an oil change. The oil looks a little dark. But level wise, it's just in the cross hatches. It's a little bit on the low side, but it's good enough to start. Let's go get some gas and throw it in here. Alright, thought we could start it up outside here. First start, who knows how long. We'll do it by hand. Probably would start better if I had the key on. Thing runs pretty sweet. I know it probably didn't look very impressive, but all the snow here has been pretty much frozen this whole time, so it's not all fresh like it probably would prefer it. But awesome. So that thing runs good. That makes me happy. It's always nice to have another snowblower, because it seems like when you need these things the most, that's when they fail on you. I got these two already, and one more will be nice. Sweet. Awesome. Well, I think that's about all the more I have to do on this one. So thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I'll have to do a video of it actually blowing some snow when the snow comes. But let's get started on that backpack leaf blower and see where that one brings us.